Hello, this is Kelly from Move Pursuit, and I'm finally inviting you out on a magnet fishing trip today that we've got going on. Here's the water body. We like it because it's got some manufacturing over here, and it seems like some other people have been magnet fishing along here and left their little remnants. One being a bike, a girl's bike. So I don't know. I was like, where would that have come from? And Connor here, my nephew, is with me, and found another key.
Yeah,
yes.
there you go.
Awesome. Okay, so here it is. A key. Sweet. So obviously this really is good for junk journaling. Here's the other key that we got. I'm just gonna switch the camera around. Handmade towel over. There you go. The water is really, really disgusting. And so here's the goodies we've got here. Picked it up with my magnet. Okay, so this is the bike that somebody pulled up. So apparently the magnet won't pull it up, but you can see it's got the pink on it, and the pedals were like pink and green. And so interesting. And look at all the zebra mussels attached to the side of it. So it's down there for a very long time. Here's the magnet I'm using. This is Connor's magnet. I also have a magnet, and just haven't gotten it. What kind of magnet is this one?
Double-sided, I think it's 700 pounds.
700 pound double-sided. So mine is like, I bought it Harbor Freight. So for like, I don't know, 10 bucks or something like that. All right, we got a good pull up this time. Connor got with his really big magnet. That one's like, what, 1,200 pounds?
Yeah, 12, 13.
All right, the sun's in a bad direction. But anyway, look at this guy. These rods, the rods are really cool. They make a fun sound. Another one of those keys, it's almost like the whole, I gotta get the lighting.
Find the lock, actually.
Yeah, the lock. What is that? It's like those rods. It's like bent really weird. Let's see what else here. We can dig in here and see what is on there. Old nail. I did find a really cool antique nail. One of them. God, there's a lot of sludge on there. All these like metal rods and stuff. There, you can see it a little better now. So much sludge. It doesn't help to pull that off with something magnetic. Woo! That's a cool. Ah.
Here.
Yeah.
That's how it gets stuck onto there.
It's pretty cool. Oh, I can't get it off. Okay, here we go.
I'll make sure I clean those up later.
That's fun. You just pulled up a bunch of more of these keys. So it's like somebody lost like, I don't know, like a whole pile of these keys in the river. So that's really interesting. This is really cool. Some kind of a spring, Connor was saying. And then this is like slag. Oh my gosh. I mean, I think it's swag. That's what I'm gonna remember. Okay, so a guy came by with his dog and he says, oh, it used to be the utility company here, and we just pulled this up. It's an actual button. Like, I never really thought I would get a button. It's like one of those grommet buttons. There, that's a good. And it says utility company on it. So how awesome is that? Oh, that's a really good one. So very excited about that. And let's see what else. Anything good?
Last one.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah. It's like a little gear. Sorry about the camera focus issue I got going on here. And then a washer too. Nice. This is like a piece of a can, but since it's so flat, like this would be the top edge of the can, it'll be really good for junk journaling. So that's a good, cool item. Some can pieces, rusty. That looks, it says jars on it, and then you flip it over and it's like, oh, I'm done. And then it's got this cool orangey metallic looking color. So kind of a, this might be a part of that bike actually.
Yeah, maybe.
I bet you. Anyway, we found a good spot. Now we're finding lots of goodies, so having a good time. All right, so this is all of my items now that I retrieved and brought home on my patio, and they look super cool. They've been washed and all the yuck, and now it's just the good looking yuck that's still on them. So these are all like kind of flat metal pieces, and they've got some neat oxidation. Is another piece that was pretty neat. I really liked this one. And let's move along. All the keys, and once they've been washed, they're all kinds of neat colors. So I'm really excited to maybe put this on like a mixed media thing. Oh, we got a little mosquito eater friend here trying to escape. I did get one antique nail with kind of a squarish head, and you can see the shape of it. So it's pretty old kind of one. Here's this one. I'm not sure how old this one is. Could be old, maybe not. Bike spokes or chain. And then other straight narrow nails and pieces. This T piece is pretty cool. This piece right here, I don't know what happened with this. It's a very unique shaped kind of gear, but it's got all of these almost like it's magnetic itself, and they're just like they move. I don't know, it's almost like they're alive. Yeah, they're little fringy things, and they move, they come off, but then they stick right back to it. It's very bizarre. It kind of gives me the creeps. Just a metal shaving from manufacturing, but it has a cool shape and patina. I would love to take these and do like a steampunk kind of cover for a journal. That for another project down the road, maybe this weekend, maybe not. But I hope you enjoyed my goodies, and it's fall. It's definitely fall now. The big piece that I got was this guy right here. There's something on it. Oh, and the button cleaned off, but it has like, oh, it's got a W. Wonder what that's about. It's cool. Maybe for a big like garden piece, something like that. There are a few. This one is like a washer, but it's not centered. I don't know if that means it's old or it's just someone did kind of a not great job. So I guess I'm still showing you things. You can get this cleaned up now. It's been drying out here. Hopefully add it to some kind of mixed media, steampunk sort of thing. So here these fun goodies are. They made it to my desk. Here is another close-up shot of the button that I got that I was so excited about. Wanted to tell you one more story. So as I had Connor's magnet, he let me use it because it was a little bit stronger than my own magnet that I had. And I didn't do the thing that you're supposed to do, which you're supposed to tie it off. Like he tied it off to his leg, he tied it to his ankle. And didn't do that, thought I didn't need to, and chucked the magnet in the water, and the whole rope went with it. And I felt terrible because it was his magnet, and I was like, and I had to like flew my arms in the air and was like, oh, what do we do? And then you just see it slowly, the rope just slowly sink to the bottom. And the water was really gross. Like nobody, like you would be worried that you would get some horrible disease if you got into that water. But anyway, but Connor was like, it's no big deal. It's like, he was very nice about it. And I felt terrible, but he spent literally like 20 minutes just dragging his big 1,200-pound magnet over that spot, and he was able to pull it up, and I was so happy. But yeah, here's me chucking the magnet. I had a definite panic moment. Obviously, I'm very excited about how wonderful these keys look. That was the best part. They're going to be awesome to add. And there's so many of them. I mean, it must have been somebody's like entire key ring that went in there. So thanks for coming along, and I'll talk to you later.